So let's dive in the water. Let's dive in the water.
What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coast community. And this one's coming out of Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Pantheon now has its trains on the track. This coaster is in USA Today's top 10 most anticipated coasters of 2020, and I'd have to agree with them on that one. And I know opening day is right around the corner. We literally have just 2 more weeks and we'll be at opening day for Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Now, I don't know if they're going to have the coaster open. Even if they don't, though, I can't wait to get that train ride and just take a look at that beautiful coaster. The pictures of the trains look awesome. They look very elegant, and I'm kind of glad that they went with that design. A lot of people have been telling me that the coaster is supposed to be scheduled to open in April. I think they'll allow members to be able to ride this during March for sure, but it might be towards the end of March. Other than that, though, I hope you all did enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.